So yeah, been around here a few times. Them turkeys going down.
If it's bad, it's going down.
Yep. Tell ya, one time I saw a turkey, I just blasted it, but I missed. But this time, that turkey is going down.
That's right, we've been watching him.
Yeah, call him Old Blue Jay here.
Oh, Blue Jay.
Yeah.
He's a bean sub again.
Yeah. He's avoided a few hunters, but this time this turkey's going down. We gotta put a stop to it, right, Matt?
That's right.
Just
rain a tear.
Sidekick over here.
That's right. It's like, which end do I point at the turkey?
Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah, just don't shoot yourself. We'll be okay. Alright, cut.
Okay, turkey hunt.
What happened today?
Dude, they're still sleeping. That's the problem. Like crap.
Yeah.
Is this good on Facebook?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Who you want to give a shout out to?
No, man, nobody taking it. What's up, people? Dude, you're not putting that on Facebook.
So we're gonna try a different spot.
Yeah, hopefully we find something.
Something. There's nothing in them woods. Not a single turkey.
That's an empty woods right there.
Yeah.
Nothing. Are you still recording?
Yeah. There's a poacher over there. No, I'm just kidding. He owns that land.
We're gonna go slash his tires.
Yeah, it's a hint.
Yeah, I don't see no beard on it. Maybe there's more.
Huh?
Maybe there's more. What should we do?
Well, I don't know. It's kind of
It's just like staying in one spot.
standoff, yeah.
Who's gonna move first? Call and see if it gobbles.
Man, it's just like a statue.
Yeah.
Can I see the back, please?
Looking for some turkeys. There was like 4 turkeys that walked by, dude.
No, there wasn't.
Yeah.
No, there wasn't. Are you being serious?
You just missed them all.
You went what?
You just missed them all, dude.
No, I didn't.
I couldn't shoot at them because you're in my firing range.
Do what? Do what?
I said I couldn't shoot at them because you're in my firing range.
What? You're by a tree. What are you talking about?
Alright. What happened, Matt?
I think we saw what happened. that cedar tree was pretty comfy, and I think I got some sleep instead of turkeys.
I don't know, Matt.
They're just I didn't really any turkeys out today.
Really?
I didn't hear any either.
Saw one. I just saw one.
Yeah, I saw a hen.
Yeah.
That's not good.
Cows. Saw cows too.
This round's going down. It's gonna cow.
Yeah, I don't know.
Don't think so?
No. Oh well. I don't think there's cow season, is there? Kind of easy, wasn't it?
That's open season every day.
Open season every day.
Look at this. This is good, man. This is asking to be shot. Okay, like, please shoot me. Please.
Okay. So we'd say this is about 500 yards.
No, it's 400.
400 yards.
Yeah, me told him blast and shoot down and
See if we can zoom in on it.
can you even see the cabinet?
No, I think I can see it.
Can't even see the target we're shooting.
Oh. Well, maybe next year.
Maybe. Well, we got the fall.
Yeah. My fall's boring.
True, but
But so is this. Thought we'd get a little bit more action. Oh well. It's all good. Yep. Signing out.